How to plan a book in Notion. Want to organize your book ideas in chapters? Let's plan a book in Notion step by step. So, start with a book dashboard. So, to create that, simply hover your mouse at the right side of private and then select add a page. So, in here, go ahead and create a book dashboard. So start with a book dashboard, add quick links to your outline, characters, or concepts. Research and writing log. This becomes your creative HQ. So first, you need to build an outline database. So enter slash table view to be able to create a table and then name this as outline database. So create an outline database, add chapter titles, summary, word count, goal, and status. Switch to board view to track progress or timeline view to schedule writing. For fiction, build character sheets with trails, backstory, and relationships. For nonfiction, replace it with a concept database to track key topics. So add a research database, track sources, attach files, and write notes. Use tags to group references by theme or chapter relevance. Now create a writing log, record daily word counts, focus areas, and reflections. Add formulas to calculate total progress and keep motivation high. After that, link your outline to research and characters. This way, each chapter shows relevant sources and characters, keeping everything connected. And that is how to plan a book in Notion.